Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial we are going to be talking about a design pattern that's incredibly useful when you need to create a complex object with a lot of optional parameters. I am of course talking about the builder pattern. In this video we'll delve deep into the pattern and by the end you'll have a solid grasp of it. We'll cover the following topics in details. So what the builder pattern is and why it's essential, when to use the builder pattern and its benefits, and we're going to do a step-by-step implementation of a builder pattern in Java. So the builder pattern, for all of you that do not know it, is a creational design pattern that allows you to create a complex object step by step. It basically provides a clean and a fluent interface for building objects with multiple optional parameters. The result is always an object that is both immutable and easy to create. But why should you use the builder pattern in your projects? Well, you should consider using it when you have an object with many optional parameters, when you want to create an immutable object, when you want to make your code more readable and maintainable, and when you want to eliminate telescoping constructors. Now let's get into the implementation of the builder pattern in Java. We'll go through each step thoroughly. So let's have a look at this person client that we have here on the screen. You can see here that we have our person object being constructed or being built by this builder, and then we are printing out all of the properties that we have here. As you can see here, this builder is an inner class of a person object, and we are going to take a look at that right now. So let's jump to the person object. Let's see what it has here. We have a few properties like the first name, last name, age, all of those nice things that the person usually will have. Then in addition, we have our constructor, and to it we are not passing in the properties themselves, but rather we are passing in the builder. And then from the builder, we're taking the properties and setting them to the person object. In addition, we also have the getters for all of the properties that the person has. Now having a look at the inner static class, you can see we have duplicated properties for all of the properties that the person usually has. So this is one of the downsides of the builder pattern. You actually have to duplicate all of the properties that you want to set via the builder. And then the builder itself has a constructor which takes in the first name and last name. This is of course optional, you don't have to do this, but if you have something like mandatory properties, you can do this with the constructor on the builder itself. And then all of the other, so all of the optional properties are being handled like this. So we have a method called age to which we're passing the age that we want to set, and then we set it to the property of the builder, and this method will always return the builder itself. That same procedure is then repeated for all of the other optional properties, and at the very end we have the build method, which will just use the builder to construct the new person object. And there you have it. The builder pattern is a powerful tool in your Java design pattern arsenal. It allows you to create complex objects with ease and maintainability, and it's incredibly valuable in various software development scenarios. So if you have found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Java tutorials and programming content. Thank you for watching and investing your time in learning. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!